Welcome back, Lord of the Rings fans. This is the LOTR Gamer YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a Mines of the Moria booster box opening from the Lord of the Rings TCG. This is the second set of the game, and it's part of the Fellowship of the Ring block. So the images from the cards will be from the first movie. This series will be broken into two parts with 18 packs each. If you're a fan of Lord of the Rings games, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's take a quick look at the box. It's in rougher shape than my other booster boxes that are sealed, so I figured it's a great box to open. Check out the bottom. $19.97, not a bad price. This might have been during the lull of the game, kind of in that early 2010s kind of time frame. That's when a lot of stores were trying to just unload their extra stock. All right, well, let's get cracking. As per usual, we will slice her open without stabbing myself. Display box setup. Should be 3 piles of 12. So I'll take half of one and add it to another one to make our 18 for this video, and then the other 18 I'll throw back in the box for the next video. So just a reminder that each booster pack has 11 cards, 3 uncommons, 1 rare, a possibility of a foil of any rarity, and then 6 to 7 commons depending on if there's a foil in the pack. Let's get ripping. Let me start off with uncommons, so if I remember this correctly. Okay, we got a common. So let's start going through them. And our first rare, glowing, not bad. And no foil. So each box is supposed to have about 6 foils, one of which is the rare. Oops. So 1 in every 6 packs should have a foil. I know in previous videos we have come across a pack with 2 foils. Usually they've been 2 common foils, unfortunately, but next rare, Release the Angry Flood. Not a bad card. And no foil there. So being part of the Fellowship block, it is a smaller set. There's only 122 cards in this set. 40 rares, 40 uncommons, 40 commons, and then 2 promo cards. This guy in foil is one of the I don't know, maybe top 10-ish cards to go after in this set. Probably the top card being the rare version of the Balrog foil, of course. I think I saw on YouTube that it sold, or sorry, eBay, it sold for 400 US. And no foil. Of course, the odds of getting a foil rare Balrog in this video is probably slim to none, but we'll hunt no matter what. Almost got all 4 hobbits in this pack. And a rare Tower Assassin. Good card to have in a deck. And no foil. Oh, good card to have in a deck. And no foil. I won't try to pronounce it, but good card either way. And a rare Nelia, and no foil. So we're 6 packs down and no foil yet. And a rare Mithril Coat, nice. And no foil there. And our rare Lotr sword, nice. And no foil. And our rare is, ooh, the Balrog. I'll need to like quadruple check that it's not foil. So this is the one that we'd want foil. Unfortunately, it's not. But still a great card to pull. And no foil. So I'm not sure what the regular non-foil Balrog's going for. And a rare, oh, the Witch King. Oh, and we have our first foil, and it is the rare, no Mirror Ranger. Nothing spectacular, but we did get a Witch King, Lord of the Nazgul with that. That's pretty cool. The chances of us pulling a foil rare Balrog now has gone basically to 0. But we'll keep trucking on because it's fun to open up packs. That's the whole purpose of doing this, is just to open packs and have fun. And a rare. Barely I come, and no foil. I think in terms of expansion sets, I think of Mines of Moria is probably one of my favorite ones. There's a lot of great cards in here for any deck, really. Like Gandalf's Staff, for instance. Great card to have, obviously, if you have Gandalf in your deck. And no foil there. The next video series will be a Mount Doom booster box opening. It's another kind of expansion set to the Return of the King block. So we'll open that one in a couple weeks. Sorry about that. I'm not sure what happened with my camera there, but it stopped unexpectedly. So these were the last 3 rares that were pulled. And with the Staff Asunder, we got a foil hand axe, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool foiling. I'll have to add this to the first half of this, or first portion of this video rather. As much as I don't want to do any kind of video editing, looks like I'll have to figure out how to add 2 videos together before I upload it. That's no big deal. Nothing YouTube videos can't help. And our rare Archer Commander. And no foil there. So we have 2 packs left.